Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a swap to share with you. This is the swap that I did was the mini craft cart on Loaded Envelopes Galore. It's a Facebook group, and I swapped with Julia, and so I received her swap, and this is how it came. I just love this fun crinkly paper. The colors are super cute. Here is a card that she sent to me. So adorable. Love that. Got some glitter on it. I love glitter. Really cute. I love that card. Okay, and then ooh, fun stuff here. Okay, so here's the actual swap cart that we made, and I'll open that here in a sec. I'm going to open up some of this, look at this goodies in the bottom. So she sent me a packet of gum and really cute butterfly. That's cute. I'm going to take that off and use it on something. And then, oh wow, this is cool. She sent me a fun set of Easter stamps, spring stamps. Those are really cute. Oh wow, love it. Oh, I'm excited. These are so cute. I love that they have the colors on them too, just so you can see how they would look. And then she decorated the top and everything. That's really cute. Oh, this is beautiful. Love the paper. Wow. And then that's there, so I'm gonna pull this off to the side. And open up this. I saw hers on, we have to post pictures of what we've made before we actually swap, and I saw hers and I thought it was so pretty, but it's always really fun to see it when it comes in person. Oh, this is so pretty. I love the flower. That's gorgeous. And there's some like rhinestone flowers in there. She layered some die cuts here. Oh, this is so pretty. Here's a little package of sequins. Oh, I move this. It seems to be messing with my lighting. Sorry about that. So here's a sequin mix. Really pretty. Be fun to make shaker cards out of. That was in the little side pocket. Then on this side, oh, they're so cute. Look at the little tiny bows. Those are super tiny. Really cute. And then open it up. She has it attached with a Velcro. Little Velcro, more little tiny bows. Those are really cute. And then in the first pocket, there's some, oh, these are so cute. They're like little charm, paper tassel-y charm with beads and little metal charms on them. Those are really cute. Love that. Oh, there's more in the back. Oh, wow. Oh, they're so pretty. And they have little lobster clasp attachments at the top, so that's perfect. Perfect to put on journals, or you could add those to like a tag or whatever to embellish a tag a little bit more. So cute. And then also in the front pocket are these little tiny envelope embellishments. These are so cute. I like your little made by. I actually have a stamp that says made by, but I never remember to use it on things. Those are adorable. And then here is a package of beautiful rhinestone flat back embellishments. Really cute. Then some really pretty flower, die cut flowers. Those are cute. I love that, whatever dye that is. It's really cute. And I'm not sure, it looks like she glued like a bunch of little tiny seed beads in there to make the center. I love that idea. What did you use, Julia, what did you use to glue them all together like that? Did you use like E6000 or what kind of glue? Because I love that idea. But I don't know if like a tacky glue would hold them in like that. Or were those already made? Love that. And then on the back, I just wanted to show you this little charm tassel. This is really pretty. And it's hooked onto a ring here, but then it has a lobster clasp attached to that. So that's really cute. Adorable. All right. I'm excited about this. I love it. I love it, love it. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed seeing what I received, and if you have not seen what I made for her, I'll link that video down below, and I'll link her channel as well because she posts things periodically. I haven't been over there in a while, but I'm gonna go watch. She said she was gonna be posting a video for what she received from me, so I'll put her link down below. And hopefully you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.